Welcome to our channel, where we explore the endless possibilities. The Conrad HL20N1 is a 6-wheel harvester machine that is primarily designed for use in medium to large wood forests. It's a versatile and powerful machine that is capable of efficiently harvesting a wide range of trees and shrubs, including hardwood and softwood species. Thanks to the balanced mass distribution, the ground pressure is optimized and the maximum retention of even soft soil is achieved. The mobile chipper Genshem 820DQ from Noller Landschaftsflieger impresses with its high-performance potential. The chipping drum is driven directly by an auxiliary engine. All other components, the crane and discharge fan, are powered by the truck's engine. The helix rotor guarantees particularly smooth machine operation. The new breakage protection on the counterknife significantly reduces the risk of failure in the event of foreign objects. The John Deere 772 GP is a powerful motor grader designed for heavy-duty road construction and maintenance. It's part of the 700 series of John Deere motor graders, which are known for their superior performance and reliability. The grader is designed with a wide range of features that make it well suited for road construction and maintenance. The Komatsu WA800 is a large wheel loader designed for use in heavy-duty mining and construction applications. Manufactured by Komatsu, a leading producer of heavy equipment, the WA800 is known for its impressive size and hauling capacity, as well as its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Its combination of size, power, advanced technology, and operator-friendly design make it a popular choice for mining and construction firms around the world. The John Deere 672 GP grader is a powerful and versatile machine designed for use in the construction and maintenance of roads, airports, and other large-scale infrastructure projects. With its advanced features and technologies, this grader provides precise grading and shaping capabilities, allowing operators to achieve smooth and even surfaces on a wide range of terrain. Despite their size and complexity, bucket wheel excavators are designed to be highly reliable and durable. They are built to withstand harsh mining conditions and can operate for decades with proper maintenance and repair. With their massive size and impressive capabilities, bucket wheel excavators will continue to play a vital role in surface mining operations for years to come. The Unitrack 92 P5 is a versatile multi-function utility vehicle that is designed for use in a wide range of applications. Manufactured by the German company Bucher Municipal, this machine is highly customizable, allowing it to be adapted to meet the specific needs of each user, including snow plowing, grass cutting, and cargo transport. Modern technologies for applying liquid fertilizers with disc tools for tillage are revolutionizing the way farmers manage their crops. Disc tools are a popular choice for tillage because they are effective at breaking up soil and creating a suitable environment for seed germination. By combining disc tools with liquid fertilizer application technology, farmers can provide crops with the nutrients they need at the right time and in the right amount. The Van Zelt Moritz Crawler Track with two-blade mowers from BB Umwelttechnik is an innovative technology that combines the benefits of a crawler track and a mowing system. This system is designed for efficient and effective vegetation management, particularly in challenging terrain where traditional mowers struggle to operate. The technology is designed with sustainability in mind. The Burgalt Model 71300 is one of the largest planters available on the market today. Designed for large-scale farming operations that require high productivity and efficiency. With a working width of up to 130 feet, this planter can cover a significant area in a single pass, making it ideal for large fields and reducing the time required for planting. The Vermeer T655 is a powerful and versatile trencher that is designed for heavy-duty trenching operations. It is equipped with a range of advanced features that allow it to cut through even the toughest soils with ease, making it an essential tool for a variety of construction and agricultural applications. The trencher is equipped with a range of advanced features, such as electronic grade control and a digital display. The Sputnik new single-pass planter is a highly efficient and innovative piece of farm equipment designed to improve planting operations for potato farmers. The planter is designed to be used in conjunction with a powerful tractor, such as the John Deere 8360 RT, which is known for its reliability and performance in heavy-duty farming applications. The planter is built with a durable and rugged construction, using high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance in tough field conditions. The Tesmec M5 mechanical trencher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for digging trenches in a variety of soil types and ground conditions. The M5 is a reliable and efficient solution for a range of digging applications. The Cut Grapple Woodcracker CS 780 is a powerful and versatile forestry attachment that is designed to make quick work of even the toughest woodcutting and logging tasks. This attachment is designed to be used with a variety of different machines, including excavators and skid teeters, making it a versatile addition to any forestry operation. The double-row disc Ripper Brack T26B is a heavy-duty forestry attachment used for ground preparation before planting. It is designed to rip up tough soil and break up any hard ground, leaving behind a more suitable environment for planting trees. The attachment features 2 rows of ripper discs that are mounted on a strong steel frame. The ripper discs are made of high-grade steel, making them tough and durable. The Stair SPF 24 and 6 is a versatile soil stabilization machine used for a range of applications in construction, mining, and road building industries. It's designed to effectively mix and stabilize soil and other materials, ensuring a solid foundation for building and paving projects. The machine is equipped with a powerful rotor that is capable of mixing soil, gravel, and other materials to a depth of up to 600 millimeters. The Wirtgen W50RI is a small but powerful milling machine designed for use in road construction and maintenance projects. With its compact size and advanced features, this machine is an ideal choice for contractors and other professionals who need to quickly and efficiently remove old asphalt or concrete surfaces. The restoration process involved a complete disassembly of the machine, followed by the cleaning, repair, and replacement of all necessary components. The John Deere walking tractor prototype is a practical machine designed for forest workers to navigate rough mountain terrain in snow and mud. It features 6 articulated legs, allowing it to move forward and backward, sideways and diagonally, and even turn in place and step over obstacles. Additionally, the machine is equipped with an intelligent computer system that controls all walking functions, including direction, speed, step height and gait, and ground clearance. The Toro Groundsmaster is a line of commercial-grade tractor lawnmowers that are designed to handle large areas of grass quickly and efficiently. These machines are built to be rugged and durable, with powerful engines and heavy-duty cutting decks that can handle the toughest mowing conditions. In addition to their cutting performance, the Toro Groundsmaster mowers are designed with operator comfort and safety in mind. Safety features such as rollover protection and seat belts are standard on all models. The Slagpot Taurus is designed with a high-quality steel frame and lined with heat-resistant materials, ensuring that it can withstand the extreme temperatures and harsh environments present in steel mills. The machine is equipped with wheels and can move easily around the plant, making it a highly efficient tool for transporting molten slag. The Top Cleaner Greenhouse Roof Cleaner is a top-quality and affordable solution for Venlo greenhouse owners. This cleaner effortlessly removes dirt from glass and gutters, leaving them sparkling clean. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and does not waste water. Not only is Top Cleaner effective and eco-friendly, but it also helps maintain the longevity of a greenhouse rooftop. Sweer's floretting machine is a cutting-edge piece of agricultural technology that is specifically designed for in-field cauliflower processing. This innovative machine automates the process of separating cauliflower heads into individual florets, saving time and increasing efficiency for farmers and processors. The floretting machine features advanced sensors and cameras that scan each cauliflower head as it enters a machine. This monster machine can dig trenches in seconds. They're made by a company called Next Trencher. They can dig holes up to 5.5 meters deep and 1.5 meters wide. The trenching machine is used to lay down water pipes and fiber optic cable.